Hey everyone, welcome to Click 3D. This is the program where we talk about photogrammetry and where you can use nothing more than just a digital camera and some software to produce some really compelling and realistic 3D models. Now, the other thing that you have to consider are the environmental conditions. So there are a whole number of things that can come up. So for example, what if you're in a situation where it's going to start raining, where it's snowing, or where things are freezing, turning to ice? If you have very sandy soil and there's a lot of wind, well, you need to protect the impression because that's going to quickly deteriorate. And even sun and heat, things like that can also have an effect on the conditions that you're working in. Sun for lighting conditions, and even heat if you're working with something like a muddy surface or whatever that's starting to dry or crack. It can change the impression. So the substrates, I've already mentioned like things like mud, but it's very common to have sand or loose particles, rocky gravel, ice and snow. All those things need to be considered, and some of these are not easy to use casts. So those are the kinds of things that you need to consider. Now, ice and snow and mud and all those types of things are great with photogrammetry because it's a non-contact measurement technology. So you're not actually touching the object. You're always at a distance. You take a photo and you get what you need. So if you want to do something like ice or snow, it's absolutely possible. Sometimes you have to be careful with lighting conditions, but the more uniform the lighting, the better. If you get an overcast day with not a lot of hot, bright sun, it's actually the best for photogrammetry. At least that's what I've found.